Today on the 50 Pound Brain, we're going to do something completely different. We are going to overhaul old Pinky here. Pinky is our garage chair. I've had this chair since 1998 and it is a very comfy chair. And I had wheels on it before. And we had mounted this board to the bottom and put just cheapo Harbor Freight casters on it. Well, do the math. 27 years later, those casters have finally given up the ghost. They don't swivel well anymore. And I'm sure it's not because I've gotten heavier since 1998. That is definitely not. Take that even off the possibilities of failure. So we are going to upgrade old Pinky and make this the super comfy shop chair that it once was, once again, and restore the glory. So we've already used our old board as a template for our new base. This one's thicker just because I had it. This was the workshop or workbench that I used to rebuild the S10 transmission on. Thus the hole in it, and it is now preserved forever with ATF on the other side. But this was the old wheels that we had. These are the monster mutters we're putting on. Look at that. Oh yeah. I want this thing to be able to roll over, you know, basically anything that floats. Wood, very small rocks, ducks, stuff like that. And run it all over with purpose. So first thing we need to do is cut out our base. Let's try not to cut our cord. Because it's not mine, it's my neighbor's. That was awesome. What a boob. All right. Yeah, my neighbor in Jersey, when I was stationed in Jersey, put this thing out to the side of the road. And I immediately, being a junk man, went out there and grabbed it. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Pink Floyd's cooler than ever. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I've taken many a good nap in this chair. My feet propped up on a 5-gallon. Yeah, man. Now I'm in the lap of luxury again. I can't wait till this gets to the garage mahal. It's going to be awesome. So, that's how we spend a Monday night when it's super cold outside. Find you some junk furniture and do this for your own garage. There are, here I'll show you. It's been holding my big butt up and in workspace And it is very nice. It rolls. You see it's got the big wheels. It rolls over a lot of things. But I think this thing was $1.25 or so. I don't exactly remember. I saw this on Finnegan's Garage, his YouTube channel, and I had to find me one because it is a good chair. It's the best chair I've had. I've had those stupid little Harbor Freight stools with the casters that big that will, you know, you get two atoms stacked together and it flips it over. So I wanted a good shop chair, and this is a good shop chair. I do like this chair. But yeah, as I was putting the wheels on, I just came up with this name. So this is no match for Pink Floyd. But Pink Floyd's more for comfort. This is more for work. This is for sitting in and admiring what you got accomplished when you were working in that chair. So it's still the garage king's throne. Belongs in a garage Mahal palace. Well, so does that. But I'm happy. Turned out well. I gotta go give my neighbor his jigsaw back now. So thanks for watching.